Here we are at 1135 8th Street. This property is located in Monterey, and we're just doing the finishing touches on it. We put in some new vinyl flooring throughout the home, so it makes it a very clean, open feel. And as you enter, you have this really cool living room. It'd be great, you could put a TV here, or it could set up as a really nice office nook area. And here's the rest of the living room, which is a really good size. Those blinds are on the floor because we are replacing them with new, thicker slat ones, which will be very exciting. We've got a lovely kitchen here with good counter space, great cabinetry. You've got an electric oven, and then you come down the hallway and you've got your first bathroom where you have shower over tub and a nice vanity. And you enter in the first bedroom. Both bedrooms are a good size. Wrap around. You've got mirrored closets. You've got an extra linen closet or storage closet in the hallway. And here is the other bedroom. What I love about this space is that it's a ground floor unit. You've got access to a little green space, which I'll show you as we walk out. This closet's a little bit bigger. And I love the vinyl floors too. I just think it offers such a clean feel in a home. And let's take a little peek at the green area. So you enter out here. You do have washer and dryer, coin-op washer and dryer in this complex, and a private covered carport. And then look at this great little green space that you have access to. And here's the unit. It's a ground floor unit. And give us a call if you have any questions.